What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be discussing the Note 10 Plus. Let's get into it. Alright, so everybody know the Note 10 is coming out. The presentation is going to be on August 7th. I wish I could be there, but I can't. But we're going to be discussing the latest news concerning the Note 10 Plus and the regular Note 10. So leakers are saying that it's gonna come out with the 855 Plus, which is a good news because everybody thought it was gonna have the old 855, but with the 855 Plus, it's gonna boost up the CPU by 7% if I'm not mistaken, and the graphic by 15%, which is gonna be a monster phone, believe it or not. It's gonna also have 43 milliamp battery. I think in the last video I said it was gonna be around 45, 43. Not bad. They're gonna upgrade the S Pen, which is a definitely good thing. One of the leakers, Evan Baston, says that the Note 10 is gonna have, the regular one is gonna have a 6.3 AMOLED at 60 hertz, powered with the 855. 8 gig of RAM, which is good, and on top of that 256 storage with a 3600 milliamp battery, 45 charge, and it has a 15 watt charging share. So that means that's the reversible charging, which is better than the I think it's the S10 Plus. The S10 line only charges at 5 watts, so you're getting 3 times more. But the big news is that the Note 10 Plus is gonna have the 6.8, 43 milliamp battery and SD card. The regular one is not gonna have the SD card, which is a little and on top of that, the Note Plus also gonna have a extra field depth sensor, so it's gonna be good. Both gonna have air adjuster and all of that good stuff. So yeah, the GPU, I'm sorry, the GPU is gonna go up 15%, and it has a higher clock speed. I think if I read another article, it was gonna be 7%, which is, it makes a difference. 7 and 15, it makes a definite difference. The 45 watt charger on the Note 10, I want to see, and the Note 10 Plus also, I want to see what you get out of it, because they could say 45, but let's see how much it really charges. We've seen on other phones like the Oppos, the OnePlus, they all have good charging. I think the OnePlus is 30 and the Oppos is around 50 or 45. So, and we all seen how much you could go from 0 to 100 on the Oppos. I think it was like 55 minutes. But if I'm not mistaken, the Oppos has a lower battery. So with 43, let's see how the performance is gonna do. I'm excited with this phone. I'm definitely getting it. I have about 2 years with the iPhone 7 Plus. So I definitely do for update my phone game, man. And I'm gonna make a different video explaining why I went from iPhone to Android, and if I'm gonna go back to it. So I'm gonna first get my hands on the Note 10, and then afterwards I'll make the video. But the Note 10 is becoming is looking a lot better. I mean, I wish it would have been 4500 milliamp battery. What else I wish it could have had? I want to know the price. That's the main thing. I want to know how much it really, I mean, there's a lot of websites saying that the Plus is gonna start at $10.99. Let's see what Samsung does, man. And the thing is that I don't know if I should get it from the jump or I should wait, because I seen with the S10 Plus, when it first came out, it was $1,000. 3 months later, it was $700 on eBay, brand new. So I'm gonna see. I'm definitely gonna get. I think I'm just gonna take the gamble, just get it, because I need a new phone. I can't just wait any longer. So let's see. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. That means a lot to me and my channel. Subscribe, hit that like button. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.